Here's a 2019 Acura RDX. This RDX provides the room and safety you need with the aggressive styling, power, and efficiency you crave. 2019 marks a full redesign inside and out for the RDX. It also drops the V6 engine for a turbocharged 4-cylinder with more torque. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: automatic transmission, automatic with driver control suspension management, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual-zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Automobile adds, despite the increase in power and cylinder count, the new RDX is more fuel efficient than before. It's ready to shoulder your everyday burdens with sophistication and class. Hurry in today for a test drive.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.